Hey there, today we will see how to run or how to use Redis, especially in Node.js application. So we will be using npm package Redis, and we will see how to connect and what happens if we get disconnected, and even we will try to set some key and get the key, and even we will try to get the information about the Redis instance, like how many miss, how many hit counts are there. So Redis is actually used for pub/sub, even for queuing, and even to store session data. So let's check. In order to use Redis with Node.js, we can use Redis npm package. So I will just go and install it. So for that you need to install npm, install Redis. So I have already installed it. So that is 3.0.2, and I am running on Windows machine. And if we want to run Redis server on Windows, then you need to either download RGL Redis or Microsoft Archive Redis releases. So I will suggest to go for Microsoft Archive releases because it has more recent version than RGL Redis, because in RGL Redis we can see it is 2.4.6, and here we can see it is 3.2.1, though it is far behind the actual Redis. So once the npm package is installed, I will show you how to get connected and set or get any data. So we need to import Redis by using required, and we need to create the connection. So if I don't pass anything, so by default it will try to connect to localhost using port 63, let me see, yeah, using port 6379. And if it is not able to connect, it will throw error. If it is able to connect, then we will print Redis connection established successfully. So let's check node get connection.js. So here we can see that Redis connection is established because it is able to connect successfully. And if I just go and stop this server and rerun it again, so you can see that it has thrown error encountered, which I have hard coded it, error encountered, and the error message. So Redis connection to localhost 6379 failed. Even after the connection is established and the Redis server goes down, then also it will throw the same error. So here we can see that Redis connection was established, then I have stopped the server, so it has thrown error. So it is like an event. If it is not able to establish the connection, it will throw error, or if the connection fails anytime, it will throw the error. And if we want to set a variable and then receive a variable, then we can use client.set method and client.get method. Let me start the server again. Server is running. Let me run the application. Node get connection.js. So we can see that Redis connection is established. Even it has replied with OK, and so it has printed the variables, that is Redis print. It will show the variable. So if I go to Redis CLI, and type get channel name. Oops, editions no. Okay, it is capital letter. Yeah, so you can see that we had received the variable value using Redis CLI get channel name, and return is code space. So I had set the variable here, and I am getting the variable here. Reply OK, reply code space. And if I want to pass some parameters here, like some particular Redis URL with another port number with some password, then what we can do is like we can create a JSON like Redis config and pass the host name. So for me it is localhost, and then port number, what is the port number you want to override, and the password, and pass the configuration JSON in create client. Just save it and rerun it again. So we can see that the connection is established and it is able to print the desired data. And if we don't want to print this reply and all, so in that case what we can do is like we can make a function response, just console.log response. Oops. Okay, the first parameter is actually error, so it will be error first callback. Let me rerun it again. Yeah, so we can see that the value that is set to channel name is code space. And if I stop the server, not this one, yeah, this one. So if I stop the server, it will throw error, that is connection to the Redis is failing. So that's all folks. If this video is helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to mention in the comment section, and a sub to the channel would be incredible. See you again in the next one.